In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert text to table in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Okay, so you just need to open our Microsoft Word and I have prepared this example for you. So first, this one need to select it. So simply drag your cursor to select it and then click on the Insert tab. Now you'll find here Table. Click on this drop down and here you can find the option Convert Text to Table. So for the number of columns, I'm just going to put here 3. So it's up to you. For the separate text dot, simply click on tabs, okay? Again, it's tabs and we just need to simply click on OK. Okay, and then click on OK, and that's it. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.